Are you looking for the best fat-burning foods that you should eat every day? Welcome to our journey of discovery into the world of nutrition and weight loss. We all know that a healthy diet is a cornerstone of well-being, and it's even more vital when it comes to shedding those extra pounds. Today, we're focusing on 7 amazing foods known for their fat-burning properties, specifically beneficial for women. Stay tuned as we reveal the top 7 fat-burning foods that you should consider incorporating into your daily diet. First on our list is green tea, a popular beverage worldwide. This humble cup of warmth is a powerhouse of health benefits. It's brimming with antioxidants that help fight off harmful free radicals in the body. But did you know it can also boost your metabolism? That's right, the active compounds in green tea can help you burn fat more efficiently, making it a fantastic addition to any diet. So don't forget to enjoy a cup of green tea every day. Moving forward, whole grains stand second in our list. These nature's gems are rich in fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you feeling full for longer periods. And guess what? This fullness helps in burning fat by reducing unnecessary snacking. Some excellent examples of whole grains are oats, brown rice, and quinoa. These are not just nutritious but also quite versatile, making them easy to include in your daily meals. So ladies, remember, the key to a healthier, leaner you could be as simple as saying, make sure to include whole grains in your daily meals. Next up we have lean proteins. Now these are vital for muscle development and weight loss. See, when you consume lean proteins, your body needs to burn more calories just to digest them. This process, known as the thermic effect of food, aids in fat burning. Not sure where to get them? Think chicken, turkey, and fish. These are excellent sources of lean proteins that can help sculpt your body and accelerate weight loss. Remember, lean proteins are your friends when it comes to fat burning. Now, let's talk about fruits, vegetables, and legumes. These food groups are packed with a multitude of benefits, especially when it comes to weight loss. They are rich in fiber, a nutrient that not only aids digestion but also keeps you feeling full for longer. This feeling of fullness can curb your appetite, preventing overeating and aiding in fat burning. Let's delve a bit deeper. Fruits like apples, berries, and oranges are excellent choices. They're low in calories yet high in fiber, making them perfect for your weight loss journey. When it comes to vegetables, think colorful. Leafy greens, bell peppers, and broccoli are all excellent choices. They're nutrient-dense and low in calories, helping you to stay satisfied without compromising your calorie intake. Legumes, including beans, lentils, and peas, are also fiber-rich and packed with protein. They're a fantastic food choice for those looking to shed a few pounds. So, don't underestimate the power of fruits, vegetables, and legumes in your weight loss journey. Last but not least, we have healthy fats. Now don't get scared by the F word. Not all fats are bad. In fact, healthy fats can be your ally in weight loss. They keep you full, control your hunger, and can actually assist in fat burning. Think avocados, rich in monounsaturated fats, or nuts and seeds, packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These are not just delicious, but also help in your fat burning journey. So don't shy away from healthy fats. They could be your secret weapon in burning fat. So, there you have it. The top 7 fat-burning foods that every woman should include in her daily diet. We've highlighted the boost from green tea, the power of whole grains, the muscle-fueling lean proteins, and the nutrient-packed fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Don't forget the role of healthy fats in your meals. These foods not only aid in weight loss, but also contribute to overall health. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, it's about living a healthier and happier life. So, eat wisely and stay healthy. And